Is somebody there? It was. Oh! Headshot! Governor! The governor has spoken. Fucking governor has spoken. Ah! Alright. Fuck these guys. You're not good enough. You're not fucking good enough. Nobody takes down the governor. No amount of fake ballots, no amount of ballot stuffing, no amount of mail-in voting is going to take down the fucking governor of Bronze. Oh shit, I thought I had him. Alright, we're stacking up after this. Hey, Blacken, God bless you. I wish you the best, I do. You can throw any amount of hate on me you want, and I can literally give 2 shakes of a fucking weasel's dick about your comments. So I wish you the best. I really do. That's what you gotta learn. Like, I'm 52 fucking years old. We don't hold grudge. How the fuck did I miss that? Another one left. Another one left. They always leave us. I have no idea. This piece of shit, though. Watch this. Ready? Here it goes. A 1 and a 2 and a fucking 3. See you later, bitch. Watch this. Watch this. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, that's the fucking little deal. Where's the real one? I shot her, though. Right here. See ya, bitch! Duck and cover! Duck and fucking cover! Right there! Duck and cover! Somebody clip that, please. Shit! Reload! I got him on duck and cover! Fuck! How did I miss that? Bitch. Fuck! How many fucking stink bombs does this asshole have? Oh, I do have it. Come on, baby cakes. Come on. I didn't know I had it. Clip it. Come on, baby cakes. Let's go. Let's go to protect the diffuser. Run away. Let him defuse. Boom! Bitch! Get out of my face! That's how you do it! Man, I'm a fucking animal! Yeah! Let's go! Damn right it's a go for charm. That's fucking heated. Yeah, nothing but straight W's in the chat. Yeah. I planted and I ran away and let him come for the shit. And I did the Dusty Rhodes bionic elbow on him. Well, you know, I don't know if I'm your son. Maybe he gets it from me, dude. I was fucking nutcase when I played football. Jeff Bezos, that was fucking sick. We're winning. That's not it right here. Fuck me. Am I the stupidest son of a bitch in the world? God almighty, I'm dumb. Whoops, did you trip? I got blown up by the fucking razor bloom. Got any advice for a young guy like me? Have a good attitude. Show up early every day. You know, even if you're sitting on the parking lot, you know, watching some mundane Mike YouTube videos or something. I try to be 15 minutes early. If I'm 15 minutes early, then I, you know, can sit in the parking lot and chill. But that's it, man. Good attitude and, you know, stay away from drugs. That's a big problem. I'll hit it again. I'll hit it again. I need to know now. Know now. Can you love me again? Need to know now. Know now. Can you love me again? Oh yeah. All right. Oh. The fucking police here in a minute. Good song, man. Good video, too. Me again. Here it comes. This is a good part of the video here. They fucking Target banned my ass. Those cocksuckers. Again. Do this again. Oh. All right, hold on. I gotta focus in, boys. You know, hey. I know John Newen checking me out saying, hey, dude, can you sing backup for me, brother? You are fucking good. That's what's gonna happen. Yeah.